Imagine waking up one morning and realizing you can't get out of bed without someone's help. For millions of older adults, this is no longer a distant possibility, but a painful reality caused by a silent epidemic that's stealing their independence age-related muscle loss. In just the few minutes it takes you to watch this video, nearly 40 seniors will be hospitalized due to a condition that is completely preventable. Nursing homes are overcrowded, families are being pushed into crisis. And the scariest part, most people don't even realize what's happening until it's too late. But what if I told you there's a way to slow down or even reverse this muscle loss? A study from Harvard Medical School discovered that certain familiar foods contain special compounds capable of reactivating muscle regeneration even in people in their 70s or 80s. And the most surprising part, some of the foods on today's list might not even be in your kitchen right now. Yet in clinical trials, they outperformed prescription medication. In fact, 5 out of the 8 foods have shown more noticeable results than medication, helping to restore muscle mass that many doctors still believe is permanently lost. One specific food even stopped muscle loss in 9 out of 10 people in just 6 weeks. Before we begin, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Dr. Fin so you won't miss more science-backed life-changing health videos like this one. Now, let's explore 8 powerful foods that help protect your muscle mass after age 60. Number 7 will surprise you. Number 1, Greek yogurt. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for older adults who need to maintain muscle mass. The protein content in this type of yogurt is doubled thanks to a straining process that removes excess liquid, resulting in a more concentrated nutrient profile. A 6-ounce serving, approximately 170 grams, contains around 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, a key factor for preserving muscle mass. Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting type which steadily provides amino acids to the muscles over several hours. This benefit is especially suited to older individuals. It becomes even more effective when consumed before bedtime, as it helps reduce muscle breakdown during the overnight fasting period, a time when muscle loss typically increases. Additionally, Greek yogurt is high in calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus essential minerals, not only for maintaining strong bones, but also for ensuring proper muscle function. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health, an area science is increasingly showing to be important for nutrient absorption and inflammation regulation, both of which play crucial roles in muscle preservation. Choose plain Greek yogurt for the best results. Avoid pre-flavored varieties as they often contain too much sugar. Instead, opt for full-fat, unsweetened versions and add your own flavor using berries, nuts, or a bit of honey. It is recommended to include Greek yogurt in your diet 3 to 4 times per week, especially as an evening snack. Notably, a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association showed that older adults who used whey protein experienced significant improvements in muscle strength, mobility, and balance even without participating in exercise. When combined with resistance training, these benefits increase significantly. Number 2, whey protein. Whey protein is considered the most effective food to address age-related muscle loss in older adults. This protein is derived from milk and contains the highest leucine content of any natural food. Leucine is an essential amino acid that plays a direct role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, even in aging muscle tissue that has become less responsive to growth signals. Whey is especially beneficial for seniors due to its extremely fast digestion and absorption, which rapidly increases amino acid levels in the blood, an important factor in counteracting anabolic resistance, a common issue in aging muscles. A notable study from McMaster University showed that older adults who consumed whey protein were able to maintain muscle mass 40% more effectively than those who consumed the same amount of protein from regular food sources. In addition to protein, whey also contains bioactive peptides that enhance blood flow to the muscles, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation, all key factors in preserving muscle as we age. Furthermore, the cysteine in whey supports antioxidant production, helping prevent oxidative damage, a process that accelerates with age. Another important study published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association showed that older adults who used whey protein experienced significant improvements in muscle strength, mobility, and balance even without exercise. When combined with resistance training, these benefits increase substantially. For optimal effectiveness, consume 20 to 30 grams of whey protein per day, preferably within 30 minutes after physical activity. Choose whey isolate or concentrate that is minimally processed and free from added sugars or artificial ingredients. If you're sensitive to dairy, hydrolyzed whey may be easier to digest. You can mix whey with water milk or blend it into a smoothie with berries and other ingredients to create a complete meal that protects muscle mass. Number 3. Lean beef. There is no better combination of high-quality protein and essential nutrients than what is found in lean beef, especially important for preserving muscle mass in older adults. A 4-ounce serving approximately 113 grams of beef contains about 25 grams of complete protein. This type of protein has an amino acid structure that is particularly suited to the needs of human muscle tissue. The importance of beef for seniors lies in its high leucine content. Leucine is an amino acid capable of directly activating the mTOR pathway, a key pathway for muscle protein synthesis. Older adults need to consume more leucine to achieve the same muscle-building effects as younger individuals, because their muscles respond less efficiently to growth signals. Beef contains one of the highest levels of leucine among all available food sources. In addition to being a source of protein, beef also provides creatine, a compound that increases muscle volume and energy storage. While the ability to produce enough creatine is common in young people, this capacity declines with age. When the body's ability to synthesize creatine and other essential nutrients weakens, food sources become more important. Moreover, beef offers high bioavailability of iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which are necessary for energy metabolism and transporting oxygen to the muscles. In a study conducted by McMaster University, older adults who consumed lean red meat showed significantly greater increases in muscle strength when combined with resistance training compared to a group consuming the same amount of protein from plant-based sources. If you want to maintain muscle mass without compromising heart health, choose lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or round and limit intake to 2 to 3 meals per week. Each serving should be 4 to 6 ounces, about 113 to 120 grams. Grass-fed beef offers added benefits due to its healthier fat composition, including higher levels of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. Number 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish comes in at number 4. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are prime examples of fish that offer a superior nutritional combination to help maintain muscle mass. The most important component is the omega-3 fatty acids they contain, particularly EPA and DHA, which have been shown in trials to significantly reduce inflammation, a key factor that contributes to the degradation of muscle in aging bodies. Approximately 20 grams of complete protein containing all the essential amino acids needed for the maintenance and repair of muscle tissue can be found in a 4-ounce serving of salmon, around 113 grams. The omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish increase the sensitivity of muscles to protein, meaning the protein you consume becomes more effective in stimulating muscle growth. This is a crucial factor for older adults whose bodies tend to absorb and respond less effectively to the benefits of protein as they age. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older individuals who ate fatty fish twice a week experienced significantly less muscle loss over a 3-year period compared to those who consume fish only occasionally. Considering that many seniors are deficient in vitamin D, the vitamin D found in these fish becomes even more important. Additionally, vitamin D improves muscle function and strength. Consuming fatty fish at least twice per week, preferably wild-caught varieties, will deliver optimal results. If preparing fish is too difficult, regular supplementation with high-quality fish oil can also be beneficial, although whole foods remain superior. Number 5. Eggs. When it comes to maintaining muscle mass in older adults, eggs are often considered one of the most versatile and cost-effective foods. Many people focus only on egg whites, but the whole egg provides a nearly ideal combination of nutrients, especially beneficial for aging muscles. According to the biological value scale, the protein in eggs scores highly, indicating that your body can efficiently utilize this protein to preserve muscle. A large egg contains a complete amount of protein, including leucine and amino acid, that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. This is particularly important for older adults whose muscles are less responsive to growth signals. Notably, the egg yolk contains about half of this protein, along with other essential nutrients such as choline, vitamin D, and healthy fats. When comparing whole eggs to egg whites alone with the same amount of protein, a recent study from the University of Illinois found that consuming whole eggs after exercise triggered a 40% greater muscle-building response than egg whites alone. In the past, many seniors avoided eggs due to concerns about cholesterol. However, these concerns have largely been debunked. Recent research shows that consuming eggs in moderation up to 7 eggs per week typically does not increase the risk of heart disease and may even help lower cholesterol levels. Incorporating eggs into your diet can help you achieve the best results, including 1 to 2 eggs daily, especially at breakfast. A time when protein intake is often low can be beneficial. Hard-boiled eggs are also a convenient snack that requires no preparation, making them ideal for older adults with limited energy or cooking ability. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds offer a powerful combination of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that help maintain muscle mass in older adults. Although they do not contain as much protein as animal sources, their unique nutritional profile provides significant benefits for muscle preservation. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are particularly beneficial. A 1/4 cup of almonds provides about 6 grams of protein and magnesium, an important mineral often deficient in older adults. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle contraction and energy production. Magnesium deficiency is associated with faster muscle loss and more frequent cramping. Walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce chronic inflammation, a factor that can lead to muscle breakdown. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, which supports the production of testosterone, a hormone that decreases with age, but remains crucial for maintaining muscle, even in older adults. Vitamin E, found in most nuts and seeds, acts as a powerful antioxidant shielding muscle cell membranes from oxidative damage related to aging. Research from Tufts University shows that older adults with higher levels of vitamin E in their blood experience significantly less muscle loss. To effectively preserve a muscle, consume 1 to 2 ounces, equivalent to 28 to 56 grams of nuts and seeds regularly. Divide mixed nuts into small portions in separate containers to avoid overeating, as they are relatively high in calories. Choose unsalted varieties, especially if you have high blood pressure or issues with fluid retention. Number 7. Berries. Berries come in at number 7. Although they may not seem directly related to muscle protection at first glance, the high antioxidant content of these foods plays an important role in safeguarding aging muscle tissue. As we age, muscles become more vulnerable to oxidative stress, a factor that contributes to muscle degeneration and makes recovery more difficult. Muscle cell membranes and mitochondria. The energy producers inside muscle cells are protected from damage by anthocyanins and other polyphenols found in blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. These polyphenols are capable of fighting free radicals and preventing tissue damage. According to findings from a study at Tufts University, consuming blueberries, in particular, improved the physical performance and muscle recovery of older adults. Additionally, berries have the ability to influence signaling molecules known as cytokines, which help manage inflammation-related issues. While acute inflammation is necessary for muscle adaptation, and development chronic inflammation, which is characteristic of aging, significantly accelerates muscle breakdown. Dried berries or berry-based snacks, thanks to their natural sweetness, make a great alternative to less healthy desserts. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil. Especially the extra virgin variety contains unique compounds that directly influence the mechanisms behind age-related muscle loss. Although it is not a source of protein, its anti-inflammatory properties make olive oil an essential part of a muscle-protecting diet for older adults. Oleocanthal. A compound in olive oil acts similarly to ibuprofen, helping to reduce chronic low-grade inflammation, a factor that promotes muscle breakdown in aging bodies. Research from Louisiana University found that oleocanthal specifically inhibits enzymes involved in muscle protein degradation. In addition, olive oil enhances insulin sensitivity. which is especially important because insulin resistance common in older adults interferes with the muscle's ability to use protein efficiently. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil also support the production of hormones, including testosterone and growth hormone, both of which decline with age but remain crucial for maintaining muscle mass. A study from the Preventable project showed that older adults who included olive oil daily as part of a Mediterranean diet had significantly better muscle strength and lower rates of frailty over a 5-year period compared to those on low-fat diets. For optimal benefits, consume 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily. You can use it in salad dressings, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or use it at low temperatures for cooking. Store olive oil in a dark bottle away from heat to preserve its beneficial properties. Also check the harvest date on the bottle to ensure freshness. These are the top 8 foods to help you maintain and even rebuild muscle mass after the age of 60. Remember, muscle isn't just about appearance. It's the key to independence, balance, better metabolism, and a healthier, more fulfilling life as you age. By incorporating these powerful foods into your daily diet, you're not just slowing down muscle degeneration, you're actively rewriting your own health future. Now, it's your turn. Which of these foods have you already tried? Have you noticed improvements in strength, energy, or mobility? Share your story in the comments below. We're always here to listen and support you. And don't forget to subscribe to the Dr. Finn channel and turn on notifications to keep discovering simple science-backed ways to live healthier, starting with the smallest things. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.